how to select specific columns from a table using SQL. In the previous tutorial, we learned how to fetch all the columns from a table. We use the asterisk symbol to represent all columns. But sometimes, we do not need all the columns from a table. We may need only one column or a few specific columns. Suppose we want to fetch only the first name of every customer. In this case, we specify only the first name column after the select keyword. Run the query. Only the first name column appears in the result. All 4 rows are still returned because we have not specified any filtering condition. Now suppose we want to fetch 2 columns. Fetch the first name and city of every customer. Look at the customers table. This time, we need only the first name and city columns. So instead of using the asterisk symbol, we specify both column names after the select keyword. When we specify more than one column, we separate the column names using commas. So our query should go like this. Select first name and city from the customers table. Run the query. Only the columns we specified, first name and city, appear in the result. Again, all 4 rows are returned because we have not specified any filtering condition. Now let us look at an example with 3 columns. Suppose we want to fetch the customer ID, first name and phone number of every customer. This time, we specify these 3 column names after the select keyword and separate them using commas. Run the query. Now the result contains only customer ID, first name and phone number. Again, all 4 rows are returned because there is no filtering condition. So the idea is simple. If we want all columns, we use the asterisk symbol. If we want only specific columns, we write those column names after the select keyword. When there is more than one column, we separate the column names using commas. In this tutorial, we learned how to fetch one or more specific columns from a table. In the next tutorial, we will learn how to specify an alias for a column in SQL.